Dear students, today we are going to discuss a very important method. The name is SCF by division method. Now, why we are studying so many methods of division? You must be thinking that ma'am has already taught two methods. One was writing the factor method and the second method was writing by a prime factorization method. Then why we are doing the third method of division? Okay, so remember, beta, why I am teaching you this method. You are knowing, suppose if I give you a number 25 and 30 and I tell you to find out the SCF from this, you will be feeling very easy to solve this. Why? Because the numbers are very small and you know the table of every number till 10 and you will be dividing that number very easily, and that is why this method becomes very easy for the smaller number. Okay, prime factorization and writing the factor, this method becomes very easy when you use very smaller number. Okay, but suppose if I give you the number like 168, 2045, then if I tell you to find out SCF from this two number, you will find little difficulty. Why will you find little difficulty, beta? Because you have to think so much that on which table this number will come. You must be thinking, ma'am, 168 क्या पता किस number के table में आएगा, 15 क्या आएगा, 16 क्या आएगा, 23 क्या आएगा या 24 क्या आएगा या उससे भी बड़े number में आएगा. Then 2045 तो और ज्यादा numbers के table में आएगा. So it means it will become very difficult for us to recognize that by which number table it will be dividing it. Okay, and also it will be very difficult कि ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो इस नंबर को डिवाइड करेगा. ठीक है, so remember the method which we have already studied, like prime factorization and listing method. That methods are very easy method and also the good method, but only for the smaller numbers. Only for the smaller numbers. But when you get the numbers which are large numbers or which are greater numbers, that time the method becomes difficult. Okay, that time the method becomes very difficult for you. Okay, so that is why beta we are studying the method that is division method. Okay, I hope my introduction is clear to you all. Please reply. This is called divide करना. इस फॉर्म में भी हम करते हैं और इस फॉर्म में भी करते हैं. So beta, remember, in this we will use this process of division, not this. We will use this method. Okay. Second thing, tell me if I write a number here and if I write a number here and if I write a number here and if I write a number here, tell me one by one what we call it. What is called this? This is divisor. Very correct. This is called divisor. What is this? This is dividend. This is called dividend. What is this? This is quotient. This is called quotient. What is this? Remainder. Very good. This is called remainder. So I hope it means everyone knows about it. Now remember beta, let us try this method. Now first of all, I am going to begin this question by a very simple method. A very simple question and a very simple method. So suppose I am taking a very smaller number which has very small digits, 8 and 16. Now always remember the first step of solving this one will be you have to choose always the smallest number. Out of these two, which number is very small? That is 8. So 8 will be the divisor. And 16, the number which is left, will come inside. Okay, will come inside. Now you have to do simply divide. ठीक है, जैसे आप divide करते हो बिल्कुल वैसे ही आप divide करोगे. Now think and tell me how many times it will divide? 8 to the 16. Correct? 8 to the 16. Now when you divide this beta, you get remainder as 0. Remainder as 0. That means रिमेंबर ऐसा कोई भी नंबर, ये तो बेटा एक स्टेप में ही खत्म कर दिया इसने, एक स्टेप में ही आउट कर दिया इसने 16 को, ठीक है। सो रिमेंबर ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है यहाँ पे, ऐसा कौन सा नंबर यहाँ पर है जो जो नंबर हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया होता है उसको कंप्लीटली डिवाइड करता है। इट मींस यू शुड गेट द रिमाइंडर 0. इफ यू गेट द रिमाइंडर 0, that means that number is the SCF of that particular number. For example, suppose we have 8. 8 ने आपको उसको क्या किया, 2 टाइम्स में पूरा डिवाइड कर दिया और रिमाइंडर आ गया 0. रिमाइंडर आ गया 0. इट मींस इसका SCF कौन होगा बेटा, ये नंबर होगा. This number will be, SCF will be 8. Okay, SCF will be 8. So students, here remainder is 0 by the first step only. ठीक है, so that is why we have written that 8 is the answer as SCF. Remember बेटा, ये आंसर कभी नहीं होता, आंसर ये नंबर होता है जो नंबर डिवीजन को स्टॉप कर देता है. डिवीजन स्टॉप कब होता है, जब रिमाइंडर 0 आता है. ठीक है, तो जैसे ही आपका रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा आप अपनी प्रोसेस को खत्म कर देंगे. ठीक है, और जो नंबर उसको कंप्लीटली डिवाइड करेगा दैट नंबर विल बी कॉल्ड एज SCF. ठीक है, ऐसा नंबर जो रिमाइंडर 0 लेकर आएगा दैट विल गिव यू द SCF. now remember as the question asked by Divyansh that ma'am, if the remainder will not come 0 or suppose it comes any other number, in that case what we will do? Very correct question by Divyansh. Beta, now understand some examples. Suppose my question is a number is 25 and the different number is 20. Suppose this is the question. I am taking the second example. What will you do beta? You just do the same process as you are doing. The smaller number will be coming outside, the greater number will be coming inside. Okay, and then we will begin the process. We will begin the process right now. Okay, so students, now what we have taken? We have taken smaller number outside and bigger number inside. Now again we will start dividing process. ठीक है, as you all know 20 की टेबल में 25 will not come. ठीक है, it will not come. We will do it 21s are 20. Once only it will come. So 5 minus 0 you will get it 5. Now Divyansh, I am answering your query. See, we have not got 0. We have got 5 over here. ठीक है, we have not got 0. We are having here 5. Now beta, we will not stop the process. We will continue this process. Now what we will continue in this? See this. 5 यही रखेंगे, 5 को कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे, 5 को हम कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे और हम ये डिवीजन को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. यहाँ पर हम फिर से डिवीजन का साइन लेकर आएंगे and this 20 which was kept upper side. ठीक है, बिकॉज इसने हमको रिमाइंडर नहीं दिया तो सजा किसको मिलेगी, इसी को मिलेगी क्योंकि इसने हमको रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं दिया. सो हम इस नंबर को अंदर लेकर आएंगे, ये नंबर आ जाएगा यहाँ पर जेल के अंदर. ठीक है, रिमेंबर दिस नंबर विल कम इनसाइड एंड दिस नंबर विल डिवाइड. नाउ सो अब रूल कौन करेगा, ये नंबर. सो अब नाउ रीड द टेबल ऑफ 5 एंड सी वेदर इट डिवाइड्स और नॉट. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Now see this. रिमाइंडर क्या आया, 0. और किसने रिमाइंडर दिया, which number gave us remainder 0? Which number gave us 0? 5 gave us 0. So what is the SCF here? What is the SCF here? 5. This is the answer for this particular question. So now suppose I am taking a question. This is my last question which I am taking. The question is 182. Suppose my question is 182. Now understand the process. Now this is 100, this is 82. So you are knowing 82 will come outside and 100 will come inside. As the smaller number is 82 will be coming outside and 100 is a bigger number will come inside. Now you are knowing 82 ones are 82. When you will subtract, you will get 18. Okay, and now you are knowing 18 is not 0 over here. यहाँ पे remainder 0 नहीं है, it is 18. So now 82 will come inside. ठीक है, 82 will come inside. We will continue the process. Now 18 fours are 72. Now what will be remainder? The remainder will be 10. Now the process will not stop, beta. Process will not stop here. Now still the number will come inside. What will be the number this time? 18 will be inside because इस number ने divide नहीं किया था इसको, तो 18 will come inside now. Now we will start the process again. 10 ones are 10. Now still we have remainder as 8. अभी भी question हमारा solve नहीं हुआ है. What we will do now? Now this time 10 will come inside. And now 10 will come inside. Then again 8 ones are 8. Now again we have 2 as the remainder. Now the remainder is 2. Now what we will do? The process will continue. 8 will come here inside and it will give you 2 fours are 8. Now which number is giving you the remainder 0? Can you all reply? Which number is giving you 0? 2 is the number. Correct. It means HCF is here as 2. Okay. Let me speak to you here once again. Now students, with the help of this example, you always understand one thing, that you cannot stop the process till you don't get the remainder as 0. And suppose in some cases you will not get remainder as 0. In that case, you have to just see that which number you are there, because ऐसा possible नहीं है, you will always get the remainder 0. Either you have to take the factor as 1 also. For example, suppose right now I am taking some example. For example, the number is 13 and 15. ठीक है? Let us start this process. Like you are taking 13 will be coming outside, 15 will be coming inside. ठीक है? Now you can see 13 ones are 13. What will be remainder here? 2. Now 13 will come inside. Now 2 6 are 12. Now what will be remainder is 1. Now you people were asking the questions from me many times. Now if the remainder is 1, what we will do? So beta no worries. Now if remainder is 1, process तो आगे continue करेगी. 1 यही रहने दीजिए. And this 2 will come inside. And if this 2 will come inside, you are knowing 1 की table में 2 तो आता है. 1 2s are 2. Finished. The process stopped. Remainder is coming 0. Now which number has given remainder 0? 1. So it means HCF will be 1. Okay. So remember students, HCF either it can be 1. if अगर किसी नंबर का HCF अगर आपको कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा है, तो it means remainder HCF हमेशा 1 होगा. ये मैंने आपको डिवीजन मेथड ही नहीं, आपको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में भी बताया था कि अगर किसी भी नंबर का HCF अगर कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है, you are not getting anything common, it means उसका HCF 1 जरूर होगा, because 1 is a universal factor. 1 is a number which divides every number. Okay, so HCF 1 तो बेटा होगा ही होगा. So remember, this was the method of finding HCF by division method. Now today we took only smaller numbers, very smaller numbers we have taken. But tomorrow when we will study this method, we will do it for larger numbers, and also we will do it for 3 and 4 numbers. Okay. So thank you very much for today.